I really hope we have some math detectives in class today because we have another mystery to solve. This city is counting on us. Our math mystery today says Elijah had 3 dimes in his bank. He got some more from his mom. Now he has 7 dimes. How many dimes did his mom give him? Detectives, let me read it again so that we have the facts of this case down. Elijah had 3 dimes. He got some more from his mom. Now he has 7 dimes. How many dimes did his mom give him? He started with 3, he ended with 7, and here he got some. How many? I'm going to pause so you can think it out and we can talk about it. Great answer, friends. Elijah got 4 dimes from his mom. Here are Elijah's 7 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. His mom gave him some, but he started with 3. We know that because it told us that. The rest of the dimes are the ones his mom gave him, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. Way to solve that mystery, friends. Let's move on. We're going to count to 100 today, and I hope everybody participates. You'll find that counting will help you do math. If you don't practice, you won't learn how to do it. Here we go.
Come on, kids! Do you want to count to 100? Count! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20! Count! 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30! Count! 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40! Count!
41, guys!
44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60! Count! 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70! Count! 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80! Count! 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90! Count! 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 90!
Nice job, my friends. Let's go ahead and do Oreo cookie, double stuff, for the hard work that we just did. Here we go. Yum, yum. today we just have one learning target, and it's for all of us. Our learning target says, I can use the count-on strategy to find the sum of addition problems. So we're going to be using a strategy today called the count-on strategy. Strategies are smart ways to do something. And there are many strategies for lots of the things we do in life, even taking the garbage out. We're going to use a smart strategy called count on. So that's why it's important to know how to count, especially when it comes to adding. Why are we going to use it? Well, we're looking for the sum. We're going to find the sum. When I say sum, I don't mean like, can I have some milk? This word sum means the answer to an addition fact. So we're going to use a strategy called count on to find the answer to an addition fact. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to warm up today by playing a game called Tower Race. Tower Race is also going to use addition, and we can use our count on strategy a little bit here too. So we know towers are buildings that are tall. We're going to play a game today called Tower Race, and you're just going to play against yourself. We're going to play as a crew. So here we have some towers. Our towers get taller and taller as they go up. We have 1 cube, 2 cubes, 3 cubes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the tallest tower is 10. Our goal is to fill all the towers in without losing a turn. You lose a turn when you cannot take a move. The first thing we're going to do, and that you'll get to do on your own, is you want to choose 2 colors to work with. 2 colors. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick blue and red. And I'm going to put them out here so that I remember. I'm also going to say that actually going to move them here. My top toss is my blue cube, and my bottom one is my red. So here we go. I'm going to toss my top. I got a 1. My bottom, I got a 2. So I get 1 blue and 2 reds. 1 plus 2 is 3. So I can keep these all together if I want, or I can split them up. But what I want to do is work on filling all my towers without losing a turn. I lose a turn when I can't move anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to fill in my 3. I'm going to put in my 2 reds and my blue. Up. Now I'm going to toss again. I got 1 blue and 6 red. So I'm going to go ahead and take 1 blue and 6 red. Now if I have 6 and 1 more, I can use the count-on strategy. I'm going to start counting at 6. 6, 7. I think I'm just going to fill my 7 bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to move my blue here, my 1 blue, and my 6 reds to complete one of my towers. 1 plus 6 is 7. All right, I'm going to spin again, and now I'm going to need your help. Here we go. How many blues? Show me on your fingers. Yep, 3. Good. And 1 red. So 3 blues and 1 red. How many is that all together? I'm going to pause. Yeah, crew, that's 4 altogether. I could count them all, 1, 2, 3, 4, or I could use a count-on strategy. 3, 4. So I think I'm just going to fill in my 4. Now, right now, this game's pretty easy because I have all these openings. But as my towers get full, going to get trickier because there are not going to be as many spots to put my cubes. So I'd keep playing. I got a 2 and a 1 again. So this could be a little trickier. 2 blue and 1 red. 2 plus 1 is 3. My 3 is already taken. So here's what I could do. I could split these up. I could put my 2 blue and anywhere. I could put my 1 red anywhere. I could even fill in part of a bar. For example, my 10 tower. I could put some in there in my 10 tower. I could fill in part of my 5, part of my 6. I think what I'm going to do is fill in part of my 10. So I'm going to put in 1 red and 2 blue. That's 3 altogether. So, friends, we would keep playing until we're adding more and more. Remember, after you toss, you can split up your colors, you can keep them together. But if you get to a part where you can't fill in your towers, for example, maybe your numbers are too big, then your game is over. So you get to play until you can't move anymore. The object of the game is to fill in all of your towers. This is going to be a game that we're going to look at again tomorrow, and you're going to get to try tomorrow. We just practiced it once today. So we're going to move on into our next part of our lesson, which is our main part of our lesson. Part of our strategy is called the count-on strategy. Is there someone in the crew who could count on from 5? Show us how it's done? Let me pause to see who is willing. Wow, that took a lot of courage. Let's all try it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Done with that one. Let's count on from 8. Remember, we're going to start at 8, not at 1. Who'd like to try it? That took a lot of courage. Let's all try it. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We'll move to the next one. Last one. Who would like to try to count on from 11? Don't start at 1. Start counting at 11. Let's pause. Again, that took a lot of courage to try that for the whole group. Let's try it together. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great. So now we're going to try the count-on strategy, and we're going to use French fries. The way we're going to do this is we're going to say the number, and we're going to count on using the French fries. Then I'm going to write the total. I'm going to demonstrate the first one for you, and then I'm going to have you practice on your own, and I'm going to call in friends to do it for the group. My turn first. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. Remember, I started at 3, and this next number I counted was 4. I didn't need to count 1, 2, 3. I knew it was 3. Right after 3 comes 4. Let's try another one. Okay, we have a new one here. Practice it to yourself. I'm going to call on one of you. Okay, who would like to try it? Let's pause. Great. You did excellent. We would say 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer to this addition problem is 9. The sum is 9. Here's a new one. Practice it to yourself. Remember, you're going to start counting at 5. I'm going to pause to ask one of you to do it out loud for the group. Wow, that was excellent. We would say 5, 6. The answer or sum is 6. Great. Here's another problem. Practice it to yourself. I want to see your mouths moving. I'll pause to have one of you do it out loud for us. Wow, that was excellent. Yes, we would say 2, 3, 4. The answer or sum is 4. Let me write that in. Great. Let's try another one. Oh, this is tricky. Weird. Practice it to yourself. I'll call on one of you. Okay, you got it. We would say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The sum of this math problem is 7. Okay, here's another one. Practice it to yourself. Be ready. Okay, yes, we would say 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. I'm going to go ahead and write 10. 1, 0 is 10. You know what? I have a feeling you're doing really great at this. All right, we're going to try this last one, and then you get to practice them on your own. Practice it on your own for a moment. I'm going to call on one of you. All righty. Great. You would have said 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The sum or answer to this addition fact is 9. Good job using the count on strategy for these. All right, we're going to go ahead and practice in Seesaw. You're going to do exactly what we just did. The whole group is going to try it. So you're going to have some French fry activities. All right, so you're going to go on and find your activity called Math Count On with French Fries. Okay, let's listen to the instructions. Tap on the green Add Response button. Start with the number and use the French fries to count on. Write the answer, also called the sum, using the drawing or label tools. On the last slide, draw your own problem with an answer. You get to be the teacher. So it looks exactly like we just did. You're going to use the same strategy, the count-on strategy, and you're going to write your answers in. When you come to the last slide, it says draw your own problem using French fries. So you could say, let's say I would say 5 plus, I'm going to draw my French fry container first. I'm going to draw some French fries. 1, 2, 3 equals, and I have to solve it now. 5, 6, 7, 8. That equals 8. Okay, I might even add a little color to my French fries just to make it a little interesting. You could add your color as well. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to answer the math problems, finding the sum, which is the answer, using the French fries to count on. And then on the last slide, you're going to go ahead and draw your own count on problem with French fries. Go ahead and get started.